Okay, are you ready to learn how to keep your cool during difficult situations? Yeah, here is the magic. I am going to call this SRRR. Okay, so that means stop, recognize, reflect, and then react. Okay, so whenever you face a difficult situation, you first stop, don't react. Because when you suddenly are thrown by a difficult situation, the immediate reaction is to react and show your emotion, but stop that emotion there. How do you stop the emotion there? Just stop, move away from there, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in your mind, or breathe in, breathe out for like 1 or 2 times, or go have some water. Water really cools you down. But while you do that, you are supposed to recognize what is the emotion that you are going through. For the little children, I tell them saying, name the emotion. That's all. So I tell them saying, this is happy, this is sad, this is anger and all that, but name the emotion. So I've taught this to my little one. She is 5.5 years old now. When she cries, I tell her, so you cry, I know, but can you name the emotion? Why are you crying? There are times when she says, I don't know what the name is, but I want to cry, and I say, okay, that's okay, you can cry. Or sometimes she says, yeah, I'm going through this emotion, and that is why I'm crying. I am going through this emotion, that is why I'm laughing. I am going through this emotion, that is why I'm nervous. I think I am nervous. So when you name the emotion, you know what exactly to do next. Okay, so that's one. So stop and recognize. After you recognize, you reflect on it. Reflect and say, why am I going through this? Why am I experiencing this? Why is that person reacting that way? Why is everybody like this right now? So you reflect on it. So after you reflect is what you react. Okay, so if you stop and name the emotion and you reflect on what exactly is happening, what can be done, and then you react, most of the time, 70, 80, 90%, whatever you react will be for good. Okay, but what do we do here? We do exactly the opposite. If something is happening, we immediately react and then go back and reflect saying, oh, why did I react that way? And then you think saying, recognize saying, oh, because I was going through this emotion, that is why I reacted that way. No point, you have already reacted. And so don't go by the reverse order. Okay, so even before you recognize, the first thing to do is stop. That is the most crucial part, because whenever something happens, you just standing there and stopping it from affecting you for like 5 seconds is really crucial. After you do that, it's easy for you to reflect and then react to the situation. Yeah, so now you know how exactly you put a good attitude out there in difficult situations. I will come back to you with the next video on how to set your goals and achieve them. This is the last video about emotionally being stable. Next is really about you putting in your goals and working on it and accomplishing it. So from the next video, we are going to get really serious. Be prepared, guys. I'll be back to you.